Hello everyone. So here you are. You have came here for some motivation so that you can clear your MBBS first year exams. So do I have that ability that I can motivate you? I don't know. But what I believe is that I can make you realize something which I have already been doing from past few months. So in this video, in a very unique manner, I will tell you some things which you need to know and that will automatically give you a boost of motivation, a boost of discipline, whatsoever you name, but you will surely get the results after this. So let's begin. So guys, this is the first case, okay? Don't worry. This is a motivational video, not your study video. So basically, this is a case one. Now here a 19-year-old female has complaints of anxiety, fear of missing out. Now what is this fear of missing out? It is not fear of missing out some parties or your friend circle. It is fear of missing out some important topics or overall chapters. Then there is sleep reduction in this female. Now she has increased her work hours, means she has started studying a lot, but she can't concentrate on work. Why? Because she has anxiety and all those issues. Okay. Now she has worked a lot in entire year, but she feels that she has done nothing. And now she is witnessing PTSD. Now PTSD is basically post traumatic stress disorder if you see in psychiatry. But what I have named here is pre-traumatic stress disorder. Okay, so before exam she is a lot worried, and right now this is the case in which at least 40% of people stand. Okay, they are complaining me of anxiety and everything. My inbox is full with all you guys, and this is what I present you the case. Now you have to diagnose as well as you have to tell me what will be your advice. Okay, so now what you would be thinking, sir क्या बकवास कर रहे हो, हम तो मोटिवेशन के लिए आए थे. But this is your case, so you need to think. Okay guys, so now let's begin the solution. So nothing, the solution is simply nothing. The first of all solution is, first ask yourself to breathe. Okay, now guys, this is MBBS first year exams are no different from your board exams. Okay, it's just a subjective exam like you gave earlier, you studied earlier, you gave the exam. Okay, now you don't need to stress upon that I have to bring 90% marks, 95% marks, district में top करना है, मम्मी पापा का फोटो आना चाहिए पेपर में. No, you have to just pass but with a better score. That depends on you. You can also go for gold medal, but what I want to motivate you or what I want to realize you is just breathe. Okay, you have studied entire year. This whosoever girl is this, see, she has studied entire year and she has covered at least 90% of the topics. And now if you keep stressing on those 10% of the topics which have very less chance to come in your question paper, but you will spoil your entire 90% because of those 10%. Okay, so instead of worrying, just breathe, stay relaxed. You need to focus more on quality number of hours right now. Don't go about running each and everything. Okay, नैना का क्या डायलॉग था ये जवानी है दीवानी में, कि कुछ तो छूट ही जाता है. ओके, so don't worry, this was case 1. I don't know how these things are going, but I wish that it can be some of help to you. So now here is case 2. Here is case 2. Maximum students are in this case. 19-year-old man है ना, he has been doing regular work. Okay, now what does regular work mean? He has been studying throughout the year, not that much, but at least he attended the classrooms और स्टडी पार्टनर के साथ थोड़ा पढ़ लिया था. But suddenly he has started feeling a huge work burden. Okay, and audit has coming up in future. Audit means nothing but your exam. So now basically what that guy thinks is, in audit what you do, you submit your performance report. Now what that guy is feeling is that basically he won't be able to collect all this data and the boss will fire him, means he won't score good. Okay, so it is again a real life situation twisted manner. So this is again your case, guys. You need to advise yourself, because I can advise you once, but until and unless you don't advise to yourself repeatedly, you won't be able to make the situation. So what will be your advice? So your advice will be Shanti, again Shanti. Okay, so now this is Amitabh Bachchan ji, and he is saying जब सर चकरा रहा हो तो नवरत्न तेल की मालिश करो. Okay, so what does this mean is, once you are done with relaxation, now you have many files. Okay, now you have studied entire year different things from different books. So now is the right time to collect them all. Okay, collect them all, mark your sources and start studying from whatever source you have been studying right now. So don't worry about the things that how the audit will go. if you start preparing from now on, by the time when your audit, when your exams will be there, you will eventually cover everything, provided that you act in a planned manner instead of rushing around searching for files. No, first finish a particular file. Suppose your weak topic is head and neck anatomy. Okay, so now if you are not focusing on that, just making it a side corner which is giving you anxiety, and instead rushing everywhere in your office, this won't work. First pick up that file, finish it, throw it. Okay guys, so this is the thing which this category of patients need to do. Okay, so this is what I can motivate you. Now this is the third case. Now this is the third case which only 10% people are there, but they are the ultra most chill. Okay, now what is this case? Basically this 19-year-old male has never been to work before, means he has not studied a single word entire year, and neither he wishes to. Okay, now it's not like he is very frustrated or very worried, but in the back of his mind he has started getting pre-stress tremors. Okay, means nothing but yes, he feels that yes यार, अगर अभी भी नहीं पढ़ा तो बहुत देर हो जाएगी. Okay, but he again ignores them and goes on bike ride. Okay, so this is his very chill phase going on. Okay, so now you have to give him profile access, because he won't start acting right now. Okay, he will act after 5 days only, when only 1 day will be left before exam. So what will be the advice? So what will be the advice is basically this guy, the Kabir Singh, सस्ता कबीर सिंह. तो उनको आप बोलो कि इससे पहले आपके दिल का दरिया बह जाए. कई बार क्या होता है ना, इतना सिलेबस हो जाता है कि एक रात पहले बैठ के निपटाया जा सकता है, बट उतना स्ट्रेस तक क्यों लेकर जाना, कभी उस रात नींद लग गई गलती से तो. ओके, सो थोड़ी सी किताब उठा ली जाए. ठीक है, आप ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ोगे, मुझे ही पता है, वो आपका स्टाइल है, एंड यू आर वेरी काम एंड कंपोज्ड. इट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग. It is totally okay. You need to stay composed and just start acting in whatever manner you can. You need to first of all pick up your important list. Okay, you can get that from my channel also, Telegram group. And then you need to start acting and prepare those important questions. Make a short notes and just finish off the things. So this is how I can motivate you guys. I hope all of you belong to these three cases only. Okay, and just remember that it's, although it's your first time in MBBS first year exam and the syllabus is very vast, but don't forget your passing marks are also very less compared to what your boards were. Okay, so now you need not to worry about scoring high. You need to just focus on building your concepts so that they can be carried for long time. Because guys, it's a very small picture. If I will say, once you are a senior, once you have done your entire MBBS or at least 1-2 years, you will realize that okay, first year exams were too much stress for me because I made them stressed. Okay, once you start giving your paper now, whenever you feel low, just pick up a random paper. What I would suggest you, what I usually do, just pick up a random paper. This applies for your PG preparation also. Just pick up a random paper, start answering questions that okay, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. You will realize that once you have answered those questions in your mind, you have automatically passed the exam. So push away that anxiety by just thinking that what all you have already prepared. Okay, and don't destroy your momentum in anxiety. Just keep going, everything will be okay, है ना? This is what I can motivate you. There's nothing rocket science that I will say just yes and then you will do everything well. Okay, but I have prepared planner for you all which will be published today in the channel itself. So subscribe and hit the bell for the same, and let me know in the comments below which case do you belong to, है ना? And will you follow the treatment or will you still avoid the treatment? And you know that the patient who avoid the treatment and stay anxious are not a good category of patients. So I hope you keep learning in the similar manner. Keep watching all of my videos, notes, question bank, है ना? And stay tuned. And if you have got any of the doubts, you can let me know on all of these platforms. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy.